Hey guys, it's Lori from Peace 9 Art here, and I am so glad you're here with me again today. Really appreciate you coming back.
The forbidden milk doesn't like me. Forbidden milk.
I need to set it down.
Found the cups.
Aha! Walking all around that bag and
Didn't see him.
didn't see it. Come on.
See, forbidden milk is mean.
It just needs a little persistence. And it probably should be shaken a little bit, because,
Not stirred.
not stirred. By the way, on the subject of shaken, not stirred,
James Bond.
James Bond. Do you know what happens when you stir, when you shake a drink rather than stirring it?
Waters it down more.
Because the ice melts more.
Mm-hmm.
So he was asking, he wanted it shaken, not stirred.
So that he could have a watered down martini.
Yep. And keep his wits about it.
Mm-hmm. But no wonder he crashed so many cars. He was drunk all the time. He might not have been crazy drunk, but don't drive drunk, kids. No. Bad.
There you go. Forbidden milk. I'm going to move out of the way.
I love that I got you to start calling it forbidden milk.
Now, stir sticks.
Uh-huh. That's my favorite thing on the planet now, just you calling that forbidden milk.
Way too much fun with that.
Forbidden milk. Floetrol.
Stir sticks. Where did I put the stir sticks?
See, that I can't help you with, because I don't know.
I didn't manage to get that open, so you might do... That could work.
No.
Just open the little...
No, but I did that, but that's just with the weird sound.
Oh, yeah.
Wheezing cat.
Yeah.
It's such a sad sound.
It is. It really is. Sticks.
Do you have a giant tub of white paint? Because this just does not want to come out.
Yep. Okay.
And the sound is making me sad.
Okay.
I also need the black when you have a moment.
Okay, that black is mostly empty. You can tip it over and let it drain down. I don't recommend trying to use the pump.
Okay.
Because it clogs up. The whole concept of the pump, I get it, but with acrylic paint, it just doesn't work. Here, take that.
Trade these.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's mostly dry, so I'll just go ahead and use this one.
Okay. Wipe it up. You know, I wasn't going to suggest you wipe it off on your pants.
All pants are art pants at this point.
There you go.
I do not. This is the only pair of pants that hasn't been tarnished yet, and that's just because they're new.
Yeah.
Every other pair of pants that I've ever owned has at least some sort of like clay or paint or graphite or marker stains on them.
Yeah. Ooh, pretty.
Not quite black, but just very, very dark gray.
Yeah.
For those.
Yep.
It's a little bit darker than it should be. I already have cells. What the f***?
Your white looks like it still needs to be stirred.
Thank you. You smart.
Yes, I am.
Half the time I'm like, I say dumb things at school, and I'm like, listen, I never claimed to be a smart person.
And yet you are a smart person.
But I never claimed to be one.
Okay, okay.
So when I say dumb things,
You can
it's
get away
okay
with it.
because I never claimed I was smart. Oh, oh.
Oh, pretty. Very, very pretty. There you go.
Hello, peoples. I back. I did things.
Jessie's gonna do a pour now. You gonna tell what colors you're using and why? That's the colors.
Demi girl flag.
Okay.
I is demi girl. Mm-hmm. Gotta do the scrapies. Oh no, I gotta do it in order.
Yeah.
Order of the flag, or else what's the point?
Exactly. Well, you would have the colors. Okay. You're fine.
No.
Okay, you're not fine. Easy.
Alright.
I'm not gonna argue with you about it.
When have I ever been fine? Exactly.
You were good the day you were born, I think.
No. I was red.
That's true, you were red.
I was a red baby.
Yeah. Why is my baby red?
Because it's a color.
This is true.
Ah! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
It's okay. It's okay.
No, paper towel, paper towel, paper towel, paper towel.
Yeah. Okay, hand that to me.
SOE.
It's fine. It's my art table. I don't care. I've said that in videos.
Ooh, cells.
Of course you got cells. Oh my goodness.
Look. I got cells in my spillage. Look! More cells.
That's right. Rub my nose in it.
Okay.
Fine. Yeah. You just pick up that piece of plastic.
Oh,
It,
duh.
yeah.
I never claimed to be smart, okay?
You are smart, but you just don't claim it.
Exactly. Ooh.
I know, right? Okay, show that to the camera, please.
See, you know how she said in her last video on the Cell Queen? I get cells in my cup. Like a boss.
Thank
What
you.
color did I do last? I did this one last.
Yeah.
So back to this one. I have a terrible memory. I have short-term memory loss. In the words of Tiny Dory from Finding Dory.
Yes.
I have short-term memory loss.
Yeah.
Which is a mood in and of itself.
Yeah.
Because same.
Yeah.
I also suffer from short-term memory loss. Look at that! See, I love rubbing it in her face when I get cells.
Yeah.
In my cups.
Yeah. And that is more than enough paint there.
Uh-huh.
For what you're gonna do.
Mm-hmm. So this is my dirty cup. Ow, I'm being stabbed by something on the floor. Oh, by that red thing on the floor. I don't know what that is, but it was stabbing my foot. Oh, okay. We're gonna add some water to that canvas.
Water?
No, not water, white paint. I'm... say this again, I never claimed to be smart. See, self-deprecation. No one can make fun of you unless... No one can make fun of you first unless you do it.
No one can make fun of you if you're already making fun of yourself.
Yeah, that.
There you go.
Those are words that I understand.
Yeah, just there.
Beh, beh, beh.
Here. Oh, show that. Look at that.
Cell
Cells in her cup.
We need to make me that crown still.
I know.
I'm gonna do a flip cup. So it's a cup. Whoosh. Ooh.
Wow.
Intriguing.
Very.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Zabadoosh. Zabadoosh.
Fill the cup.
Mm.
The inside of the cup is pretty too.
Cells.
Cells in your empty cup, yes.
And cells.
Of course. Because yes. There you go. Oh, look at that.
He's a shark.
It is a shark.
He's a pink shark.
Yep. Are you going to put anything on that corner a little bit? Around on this side of that corner. Yeah.
He's a pink shark with
It's a
cells.
pink shark.
Look at all the cells.
I know, right? Yeah.
I'm
Very.
gonna try
very
a thing.
Okay.
And if I hate it, it's fine. I don't mind. I'm gonna pour this water into a different cup.
Okay.
I'm just gonna whoosh.
Okay. Ooh.
Woo.
Okay then.
That happened.
Yeah.
I like it.
I like it a lot.
And then boop.
Oh yeah. Good job. Jazz hands. Okay.
All done.
All done.
Look at all the cells.
Yeah. Come back down here.
Cell shark.
Yeah.
Yes, shark.
Look at all those cells.
I get cells just by looking at paint.
You do. Oh, look at that area right there.
Uh-huh.
My hand is shaking so bad.
You want me to hold it? Or no, you got it.
I think I've got it.
Alright. I'm the cell queen. I'm the cell queen.
You are.
That's me.